All right, let's do some creek fishing. Huh?
Maybe bring a bigger bag.
I know, I just wanted to bring a, whoa man, that's lower than I expected. Look at all that. Jeez, that's low. Well.
I thought it looked good back there.
Well, this doesn't look terrible. This looks about how it always does. Let's see if we can't find us a couple. I have not been out here. I was telling my buddy, I think it's been, hey, there's a gar there looking at my, I think that's a gar. Yeah, that's a gar. Oh, there's a smallmouth. Thought that was a gar. Got him. There we go, folks. That didn't take long at all. That is my first smallmouth of the year. 6 months into the year, but still. We'll take it for sure. That is tons of fun. I love catching smallmouth, so I'm never going to complain about that ever. Okay. This little Yum Hellgramite looks really good. The only thing I will say about it, it tore up on that fish. So I'm hopeful that they'll last me more than a couple fish, but that may just be wishful thinking. No, they don't want anything to do with it. That's weird. Got him. I'm doing the hover rig with this little fluke. I'm like throwing it at the ones I see and shaking it right over their head, and they're eating it. Biting it at least. Another one. Smallmouth number 2. Little smallmouth. Quit. A little smallmouth. Get it? Another little smallmouth. All about the same size today. We can't get a couple bigger ones. Eat it. Eat it. That's not a smallmouth. That is a red breast? Oh no, it's a green sunfish. Pretty fish. Oh, there he goes. Oh, little guy. No wonder I didn't feel him bite. Stop it. You gonna get unhooked or not? Stop shaking. Gotcha. Finally. Little tiny guy.
Yeah, back to the brawny deal. I think that's pure genius.
Yeah, it was smart for the Lakers. Man, catching them good right now. Another smallmouth. Easy. Easy. Yeah. Oh, absolutely. Easy. 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 Oh, he came off. Okay, pretty easy. Quick release. Man. Yeah, that's a good one right there. Stay pinned. Stay pegged. Yeah, that's a good one. Oh yeah. Here, buddy. Yeah, pretty good one too. When he dug that last time right there and my drag was tight, I was like, oh, I'm about to break him off. Just gonna let him, you go ahead, you fight as much as you want, buddy. Yeah, that's a pretty decent sized smallmouth for sure.
Real nice one.
Oh, he's barely hooked. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Gotcha. Oh, come here. 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 If I lose this fish. Gotcha. Oh yeah. That's a good smallmouth. It's a really good one. Barely hooked. Barely hooked. Look at that one. Little 14, 15 incher maybe. Great looking smallmouth. Look at that. Just big, healthy. Man, I love smallmouth. They are one of my favorite fish to catch. And this is my favorite way to catch them just about. If the water was a little bit higher, probably be quite a bit more fun, but we're gonna let that one go. That's so funny. Hey, you little guy. Thanks for playing. Jeez, Ethan. It's hot, man. Got you one. Oh, dude, look. Here, bring it to the camera. I wanna put it on camera. Doubled up. Caught a smallmouth, little baby one. Ethan caught a long ear. They're my favorite looking fish. You'll see why here in a second.
I get it out. There you go. You got it.
Yeah, I got him. See if I can lip him. Jeez, his lip's tiny. I can't really. Here we go. That's why I love those fish. Look how pretty he is. Bright blues, bright reds, and the long ear. You can see why they call him a long ear right there. Along his, I guess it's part of his gill plate, but it's, anyway, super cool looking. But anyways, super cool looking fish. Dude, is somebody freaking floating? I cannot believe somebody's floating. A little bit better one, I think. Yeah, decent one. I don't think he's as big as the last one, but he could be. No, he's not. He's a good one though. Maybe a little, just a touch smaller. Jeez. Jeez, these things fight hard, dude. Gosh. Oh, he's pretty too. That's the prettiest smallmouth I've caught in a long time. Come here. Come here. Nope, stop. Come here. Gotcha. Look at that. Look at the colors on that guy. Patterns. That's awesome. That's such a good looking smallmouth. Look at that. Tell me that's not a pretty smallmouth right there. As pretty as they come. I'm gonna let him go. 7 o'clock, a little after 7, so maybe fish for a little bit longer. Come here. Uh-oh. Another decent one. Not as big as the last two, but not a bad one. We'll take him. Oh, he's got a cool spot on him. He just hit me in the nutsack. That's cool, dude. He's got like tats on him. Look at that. Got a spot on his head. It's a cool looking fish right there. Uh-oh. Is that another good one? Oh, he's not that big. He just pulled a little drag. Oh, he threw my bait, dang it. You jerk. I only got so many of those things. Oh, there he goes. Quick release. Fish on. Come here. Don't come off. It's a little guy, but it's another smallmouth. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Another little smallmouth. Whoopee. Okay. Oh my gosh. What a skip, dude. What a skip. Go for it. That was close. Oh yeah. On another good smallmouth, folks. We're just walking back. And... Jeez, buddy. It's a good smallmouth. That makes... This would be my third good one, fourth good one of the day. We'll get him up here. Oh yeah, that might be the biggest one. Holy moly. That's a good one. Just wearing the smallmouth out over here. I caught another one off camera because my GoPro died again. But there's another one right here. So we're catching them, that's for sure. Jeez. That's not a big one, but he's freaking mean, dude. Jeez. He spit off my last Hellgramite too. Well, I say last, I've got a couple more, but. Come here. Jeez, dude. Come here. There's another smallmouth. Man. This is why I didn't want to bring a fly rod today, because I would have not caught near as many smallmouth. Probably could have caught more fish, but not these guys, not those guys. And those are my favorites. Come here. Are you a big one? That might be a good one. He's not giving up. He's a good one. Not a big one, but a good one. Definitely. Another good, just healthy smallmouth. With how the creek is right now, it's just good to see fish this healthy.